Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack anybody's Facebook account with this really cool mobile app that I found online, guys. So stick around to the end of this tutorial, guys, because I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to hack anybody's Facebook account, guys. Alrighty, guys, so before we get into this tutorial, I just want to mention this giveaway that I'm doing for this red iPhone XR. So if you want to win this phone, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone to enter the